Tanya, do you think that photography can change people's personal lives as well?
Well, I can tell you I've seen it happen. Uh, well, I have two stories about that. One is about a man that I photographed. This was for a book I was working on, and he had a page, he had a presence online, quite a large presence. This is a person with hundreds of thousands of followers.
Mhm.
And one day I photographed him for a book I was working on. He posted one of those photos as his new profile photo because he liked it. It was casual. We were just having a nice conversation. And a woman responded to that photo. They ended up dating. They ended up engaged. They had a child. He now has a 2-year-old girl, really as a result of this photograph. So that's a pretty big difference in someone's life. And I'd never even thought that much of it, except that he credits me with that connection. So for me, it's about connection, connection that comes through in a photograph. If you really nail something about you and your personality coming through, that's going to connect to somebody else out there. And you just never know who that somebody else is and what they could mean to your life. I mean, literally your whole life can change and you can end up with a baby.
Well, you better be prepared.
You better be prepared. It's true. You never know how it's going to work. And obviously people need dating photos all the time. And I've done quite a few of them because, the trick is to make it look effortless. You don't want dating photos that look like you went and had a whole bunch of professional photos taken. You want it to look like your best friend shot it. But it really has to capture you beautifully in order to attract the right person to you.
Do people hire you for these purposes specifically as well?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Because I think I'm pretty good at making professional photos that don't look like professional photos, if that even makes sense as an idea. I'm here to capture you looking like you on your best day. And and all you think is, oh, that's a great photo of you, but you don't think, oh, nice photo shoot.
So you're able to capture the soul, and that's why it's so telling, so looks so approachable and connects, as you mentioned.
Right. It's for me, I call it the soul, the energy. It's the I connect with the energy of a person and I translate that into a photograph. And once it's translated, other people can see it too. And then they see your energy and they say, wow, that really captures you. And that's my purpose. That's my purpose for doing it.